Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how I made this easy and fluffy waffles. So stay tuned and let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, I added 1 cup fresh milk, 1 large egg, 57 grams melted unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Please feel free to use margarine if you don't have unsalted butter. Go ahead and mix everything and then sift in your dry ingredient. So I'll add 160 gram all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and then 60 grams white sugar. Once everything goes inside the wet ingredient, go ahead and mix everything together with the help of a whisk until you achieve a smooth batter. So once the mixture is ready, now it's time to make the waffles. So with the help of a waffle maker, go ahead and spray with a non-stick spray, or you can use normal cooking oil or even butter, and then scoop the mixture, but please make sure you do not overflow and then plug. Once the light goes off, the waffle is ready. So repeat the same step until the entire mixture is done. Okay, so that's the beautiful outcome of the waffles. It smells so good, and then the taste is amazing. Go ahead and garnish with any fruit of your choice. I'm using strawberry, and then drizzle with some honey or maple syrup, anything that you prefer. Go ahead and then enjoy. This was very easy and a unique recipe. I hope you give this a try, and I know you will love it. Yes. All right, so I'll leave you guys here. Please, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share and click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. Stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. If you're a new subscriber, you are welcome to my channel. God bless you all. I love you all. Bye.